asuntoskeittiö Kuopion Torikatu 21 to 23 in Kuopio staircase April.
Not so into the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, now. Okay, today is 22nd of June 2021. There are 5 floors here. There's no information about it. The serial number is 10717.
There is information.
Built by Kone in 1962, rise in 2015. Could this have had MPN4? Well, I'm not sure, of course, but...
Yeah, but I think NPN6 still.
But they're the MPN4 type of these things.
Yeah.
Inside, so...
Yeah,
but I believe MPN6.
Yeah.
It's because in Helsinki it is really rare.
Yeah.
Bad modernization.
Yeah.
Only one died. The capacity is 3 persons or 5 grams is going to be inspected in this year, 2021. Was modernized in 2015. And very unnecessary. I'm allergic to generics.
That's it.